What's going on, guys? Muddy Water Tennessee fishing here. Out here fishing in nolichucky today. Me and my oldest boy. We're up here at USA campground on the nolichucky. Just enjoying family time, and we stopped out here to fish for a minute, and we're going to hang it up and come back this evening. So we're staying right up there at the Crockett cabin. They're going to do live music and stuff this evening, just having a good old time. I figured I'd keep you updated though. Hey, I'll holler at you in a little bit. See what's over there. Had her in. People go by. Ooh, come on now. Get that thing. Missed him. Oh, I missed him, Chris. Oh, man, that's a good one. Hang on a sec. Let's see here what we got. That's a smallmouth. Got him. Oh, no. Oh man, quick release. He come off there. Nice. Come on now, stay off those rocks. Come on now, stay off that rock. Hey, hold on. There you go. Come on now. Yeah. That there's a good. Slow fight that thing, gets 4-pound test. Work him over here. This right here's my oldest boy, Chris. He's got him a decent smallmouth, huh? No, yeah. Don't pick him all the way up. Grab that lip. There you go. Grab that lip. There he is. And get that hook out of his mouth there, and then show him off. Those are pretty smallmouth up here in this part of the nolichucky. I'm talking absolutely gorgeous. The colors are phenomenal. That's a nice one right there. You don't get big sizes up here in this river, but you get quantity. Boys right there shouted out on YouTube. I had my camera on. Hey guys, that's it for this one. We're already back home. Happy Father's Day to all my dads out there, and I hope you had a good Father's Day. And hey, for them boys that was floating down the river on the tubes, I didn't have my camera on, but I turned it back on and got you in there. Ian's a little farther down, but I hope you had a good day on the water. It's a pretty day. Guys, that's it for this one. I'll catch you on the next one.